If you're tired of how your WordPress site looks, or your current theme is just dragging your load times down, changing your theme is one of the easiest and most impactful things you can do. And the good news is it will not touch your actual content. Your posts, your pages, your images, all of that lives safely in your WordPress database, completely separate from whatever theme you're using. So switching themes is really just changing the outfit your site is wearing, not the site itself. That said, there's a smart way to do this and a reckless way to do it. So let me walk you through how to switch your theme properly without breaking anything. Before you touch anything, take a backup of your site. Even though your content is safe, some plugins or custom code snippets can behave differently under a new theme, and having a full backup means you can always roll back instantly if something looks off. Most hosting providers offer one-click backups, or you can use a plugin like Duplicator or Updraft Plus to grab a full copy in just a couple of minutes. While you're at it, jot down or screenshot any custom code you've added to your current theme's functions file, because that code lives inside the old theme and won't automatically carry over to the new one. Once you've got a backup sitting safely off to the side, the ideal next move is to test your new theme somewhere other than your live site. If your host offers staging environments, and a lot of managed WordPress hosts do these days, spin one up. It's essentially a private clone of your website where you can experiment freely without any visitors seeing the changes. Install and activate your new theme there first. Click through your homepage, your blog posts, your contact forms, anything important, and make sure everything still looks and works the way it should. If staging isn't available to you, don't worry. WordPress has a built-in live preview feature that lets you see roughly how a new theme will look before you commit to it, which is the next best thing. When you're ready to actually make the switch, log into your WordPress dashboard and head over to Appearance, then Themes. You'll see a list of every theme currently installed on your site, with your active one clearly marked. If the theme you want isn't installed yet, click Add New Theme, search for it by name, or upload it directly if you purchased it from a marketplace, then click Install. Once it's installed, hover over it and click Activate. And just like that, your site's design switches over immediately. Now, here's where a lot of people get tripped up right after activating. Your widgets and menus don't always transfer cleanly because every theme defines its own widget areas and menu locations. So even though your content is completely intact, it might not appear exactly where you expect at first. Head into Appearance, then Menus, and check that your navigation menu is assigned to the correct location for your new theme, since the drop-down at the top lets you pick exactly where each menu should live. Do the same check for your widgets, since WordPress usually tries to preserve them, but depending on how different your new theme's layout is, you might need to manually re-add a few to get everything sitting in the right spot again. After that, go through your site page by page. Check your homepage, a blog post, a product page if you're running an online store, and your contact page, since forms and custom layouts are the most common things to shift or break during a theme switch. If you had any custom code snippets in your old theme's functions file, this is the point where you paste them back into your new theme, ideally using a code snippets plugin rather than editing theme files directly, so your customizations survive future theme updates too. It's also worth running a quick speed test on your homepage after switching, just to confirm your new theme is actually performing the way you hoped, rather than assuming a fresh design automatically means a faster site. If anything looks broken and you can't quite figure out why, don't panic. You've got that backup sitting right there, and switching back to your previous theme takes the exact same handful of clicks you just used to switch forward. Follow that process. Backup first, test on staging or with live preview, activate, then double-check your menus, widgets, and pages, and you'll have a brand new look for your site with zero risk to the content you've already built. If this helped you feel more confident about switching things up, drop a like on the video, subscribe for more WordPress tips like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.